Hi, my name is Jamie, and I'm the design lead for the Creator Expert line. And today we are celebrating 10 years of modular building with Assembly Square. We have so many amazing details to celebrate the modular buildings. I want to get right into them. You can start by looking at the beautiful facade. It should feel very reminiscent of many of the other modular buildings. We have the cafe here in the front, reminiscent of the cafe corner. We go up to some beautiful detailing on the top here, similar to the Grand Emporium. And then as you go to the middle, you can see we have got really clever building techniques where we're using the shovels from the Technic excavator to make a nice roof detail, some nice hammer details here. And as we follow all the way down to the bottom, we're even using garage doors for the window on the front of the bakery. On the inside, we've got lots of stories to share. When we start at the ground floor, you can see a really cozy cafe. You can almost picture yourself just hanging out there and relaxing. We've got some beautiful flowers in here to maybe help complement the bakery, where we have a wedding cake. And we even have this nice little oven feature that you can push the bread out through the oven door. When we look at the mid-levels, we actually have even more sensations that are there to greet you. We have music that fills the air as you look at the nice music studio. In the center area, we have a nice little photography studio. You can even take the camera out, which has these nice adjustable legs, and you can bring it out to a street scene of your choice. In addition to that, we have a nice dentist office. I know it sounds strange to say nice in dentist office, but this one really is a nice dentist office. He's very friendly. He has a nice adjustable chair and lots of fun little details that you'll discover inside. And then we follow that music up to the upper floor. You can see the nice dance studio here with a beautiful reflective mirror and a piano. And then as we go across the way, you see a Lego fan apartment. And she's really trying to make the best use of her space. She has this comfy fold-out couch. And besides that, there's just Lego everywhere, very much like my house. Let's take a closer look at the characters. One of the first you might notice is the blue parrot. It's actually the first time we've done a co-injected blue and yellow parrot. We think it's pretty cool. We follow the emotion all the way down the line with an adorable chihuahua. We've got some great accessories like the guitar and the tutu. And then we even have a new decoration on our friendly dentist. But the big finale is over here. We've got the baby in the modulus for the first time, and we have the babysitter holding her prized cafe corner. And of course, then there's the amazing elements. Check these out. There's so many cool things here that we've been looking for years. Lots of great tiles with even decorations on them. We've got that cafe corner box that we talked about. We've got a nice decoration on the dentist office. Little joke to some of you guys to prevent yellowing. Thanks, Austin, our graphics guy. And then some really nice colors on a new door frame. We have a nice black color for the window. And this element in particular, which has studs on only two sides, I think you guys are really going to enjoy. We had a lot of fun with it in the set. So on behalf of the design team, I'd like to say thank you for supporting the modular buildings. We hope you're as excited as we are to celebrate 10 years of modular building with Assembly Square.